It's time to get started writing our backend server with Go. So let's get started by installing Go. You can download the appropriate distribution by navigating to golang.org and clicking on the Download Go link and then following the instructions for your specific distribution. After the installation is complete, you should be able to run the Go command. The next thing you'll need to do is to set up the Go path, which is an environmental variable that will point to a directory of your choosing. This directory, or Go path, is where all your Go-related files will reside. In other words, it's where your code, third-party dependencies, and binaries will be stored. I'll create a Go directory in my home folder. Now let's set the Go path to my home directory /Go. I'm going to install something with Go so you can see how Go uses the Go path to store things. Let's install the Golang RethinkDB driver maintained by Dan Cannon, which we'll start using in a bit. The way you install dependencies in Go is with the go get command, followed by the URL of the library you'd like to install. I'll just copy the go get command that's listed in the README file and paste it into the console. Now let's cd into the Go folder and list the contents. What we see is two folders, package and source. Package contains the installed package objects. Source contains the Go source code, both your source code and libraries you download with the go get command. If we cd into the source folder, we see github.com. If we cd into github.com, we see folders, like the Dan Cannon directory, that correspond with libraries stored in GitHub, which were automatically downloaded moments ago when I ran the go get command. There's one other directory you'll eventually see in the Go directory, a bin folder. This is the location that Go-based executables are stored when built and installed. It's a good idea to add the go/bin folder to the end of your path environmental variable. Of course, we don't want to manually set the Go path and path variables each time we start a new session, so I'll edit my .bash_profile file to add both the Go path and the Go bin directory to the path variable. You'll need to add or modify the Go path and path variables in the appropriate config file for your shell. Alright, now that we've got Go up and running, we can start programming. In the next video, we'll write our first Go program.